Alright, YouTube. I just left out my favorite place, Pick and Pull. They got 25% off. So I just went in there and grabbed me some lugs. But I walked out with a window side mirror switch. I'll show y'all how y'all can fix these too, because I got a whole bunch of them. Walked out of there with these two for my side mirrors and this field trip, whatever, driver information center, because I'm changing my whole center console and all this, the whole bottom part, to the Denali's. But I wanted this, so I'm gonna wire it up and have it actually working. Show y'all how to do that too. What else? Seems like I'm forgetting something. I came up with something else. We're gonna call it a day on that. I'm gonna show y'all how to wire that up though. Yeah, it's only 7 wires, and you can actually get it to read. So we're gonna get to that. Alright, YouTube, I got the door off, back with the wires. So the puddle lights wires are two orange coming from the mirror. So off the 2000s, what color you looking for is the white and ground. So you got to just figure out which one is positive and which one is negative. Just flip it around so y'all can see how it go. You can see I got it all. So that side is done. So we're good. And turn signals, when I get the turn signal, mirror part or build them, not. Alright, YouTube, nighttime, show y'all. So we got it together.